Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we gather to pay tribute to three brave soldiers who tragically lost their lives in Jordan. It is a somber moment as we remember their sacrifice and honor their memory. Before we delve into the details, it is important to remind ourselves that honoring the fallen should be a unifying act, transcending race, politics, and personal biases. Our intention is to remember these brave soldiers and express our condolences to their families. Yesterday, we received the devastating news that three soldiers, Private James Williams, Corporal David Johnson, and Sergeant Sarah Thompson, were killed during a military operation in Jordan. These soldiers dedicated their lives to serving their country and protecting our. It is a time to reflect on the immense sacrifices made by our servicemen and women, regardless of their background or ethnicity. They put their lives on the line to safeguard our nation, and we owe them an eternal debt of gratitude. However, it is important to address the statement made in the title of this video. Accusing Joe Biden or any individual as the cause of death for black people is an unfounded and divisive claim. We must approach discussions with respect, empathy, and a commitment to the truth. The loss of these soldiers is not an opportunity to fuel political animosity or promote division. Instead, let us honor their memory by coming together as a united community, offering support to their families, and recognizing the sacrifices made by all service members. We extend our deepest condolences to the families, friends, and fellow soldiers of Private James Williams, Corporal David Johnson, and Sergeant Sarah Thompson. They will forever be remembered for their bravery, dedication, and selflessness. May their souls rest in peace, and may we never forget their ultimate sacrifice. Let us strive for unity, empathy, and understanding, honoring the memory of these fallen soldiers and all those who have given their lives in service to our nation. Thank you for watching this video. We encourage you to share your thoughts and memories in the comments section below. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content that celebrates the lives of our heroes.